Hi y'all, let's take a look and see how we can find rocks in our daily lives. So to begin with, let's just review the three types of rocks that we already went over in our last video. The first is sedimentary, the second is igneous, and the third is metamorphic. So with igneous rocks, you can find them in people's kitchens. A rock called granite is used to make people's countertops. You can also find igneous rocks made from lava. You can find metamorphic rocks in your kitchen too. People make marble countertops. Marble is a type of metamorphic rock. You can also use marble to build art and statues. Finally, you can find metamorphic rocks in even railroad tracks. They use a rock called quartzite and crush it up, and then use that to build the railroad tracks with, which is super cool. Lastly, you have sedimentary rock. I bet y'all have all seen gravel, and that is actually sedimentary rocks. Builders also use sedimentary rocks, specifically limestone and sandstone. This can be used to build buildings and walls. Also, sedimentary rocks can also be used for energy sources, such as coal. So, as you can see, you can find rocks all around us. So I want y'all to think about where you guys see rocks on a daily basis. Thank you.